one of the new bracelet range in the Liberty ribbon kits that we're doing. With this, you'll be getting some instructions and the beautiful organza bag with the bits that you need to make up the bracelet. You'll also have 1 meter of Liberty ribbon. You can get 1 bracelet and then you'll have the rest to do as you wish with. So in this one, we have the beautiful love pendant, we have our stopper bead and the Liberty ribbon. To make the bracelet, you want to take the ribbon around your wrist and you're going to allow a tail end, because this is actually going to go through our stopper bead and it'll be large enough then to slide on and off. So you want to leave maybe 5 centimeters of ribbon either side so that you can easily take your hand in and out. Take that to the size that you want. And then you just want to take your ribbon through the beautiful charm. If it's a bit fiddly, you can always cut a little V shape in your ribbon. Take that to the middle of your project. And then using a different cord that's maybe more rigid, we're going to take one of the ends through. So you're just going to take that through your bead. So I've created a loop, bring my end through and pull that straight through my stopper bead. Pull out the end, and we're going to do the same with the other side. Stopper bead's got rubber in the middle so that you can actually move it along your ribbon in order to adjust the length. And that is how you very simply make this lovely little Liberty bracelet.